kuha. Ganun pa rin. Number 4, jerk, twist, pull up. Number 5, jerk, twist, pull up. Number 6, jerk, twist. Number 7, jerk, lock. Number 9, ha? Number 9, hawak sa taas, atras. Number 10, twist, pull up. Number 11, jerk, twist. Number 12, atras, balik. Ngayon, sa dalawang hawak. Number 1, jerk. Ganon pa rin ang kuha dyan. Number 2, jerk, twist. Number 3, jerk, twist. Number 4, jerk, twist, pull up. Number 5, jerk, twist. Yan. Number 6, jerk, twist, down. Number 7, jerk, twist, down.